Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Planning Strategy for global investors. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks across different countries, your real return is not only decided by the dividend yield. It is also affected by taxes, withholding rules, currency conversion, reporting duties, and whether you are using the right investment structure. So, before focusing only on how much dividend a company pays, it is important to understand how much you actually keep after tax. First, you need to confirm your tax residency. This means identifying the country where you are treated as a tax resident. In many cases, your tax residency decides whether you must report only local income or your worldwide income. Therefore, you should understand residency rules, domicile rules, and treaty tiebreaker rules, especially if you live, work, or invest across more than one country. Next, you should map where your dividends are coming from. Separate domestic dividends from foreign dividends, because each country may apply different tax rules. Also, check whether the dividend is treated as qualified or non-qualified where that concept applies. At the same time, note the country of source, the company or fund name, and the payment frequency, because this makes tax reporting much easier later. After that, check withholding taxes. Many countries deduct tax before the dividend reaches your account. For example, a company may declare a dividend, but your broker may receive it after a portion has already been withheld by the source country. As a result, you should compare the default withholding tax rate by country and calculate your net dividend after withholding. Then, use tax treaties wisely. Some countries have tax treaties that may reduce the withholding tax rate for eligible investors. However, reduced rates are not always applied automatically. You may need to submit the correct broker form or tax form before receiving the benefit. So, it is important to review the treaty rate between your country of residence and the country where the dividend comes from, then confirm that the reduced rate has been applied properly. In addition, you should claim foreign tax credits where allowed. If tax was already withheld overseas, your home country may allow you to claim a credit or offset so you are not taxed twice on the same dividend income. For this reason, keep proper records of all tax withheld, annual broker statements, dividend vouchers, and tax slips. Without records, it becomes harder to prove your claim during tax filing. After that, choose the right account and asset location. Some investors hold dividend stocks in taxable accounts, while others use retirement accounts or tax-advantaged accounts. The best choice depends on the rules in your country. Generally, high-yield assets should be placed where the tax treatment is most efficient. Also, compare direct shares, ETFs, and funds, because each structure can have different tax results. Meanwhile, remember to track currency, reporting, and compliance. Foreign dividends may need to be converted into your home currency using the correct exchange rate. You should also keep annual statements, broker reports, tax slips, and proof of foreign withholding. In some countries, investors must also report overseas assets separately, even if the income has already been reported. Finally, review your after-tax yield every year. A high dividend yield may look attractive, but the real question is how much income remains after withholding tax, local tax, broker fees, currency costs, and fund expenses. So, focus on net yield, not just headline yield. Also, reassess your portfolio whenever tax rules, treaty rates, residency status, or investment goals change. Overall, smart global dividend tax planning is about reducing withholding leakage, using treaty benefits correctly, claiming eligible credits, choosing efficient account locations, and staying fully compliant. Before making decisions, build a simple checklist. Confirm tax residency, submit treaty forms, track withholding, save foreign tax credit records, and schedule an annual review. This video is for educational purposes only. Tax rules vary by country and investor situation, so always consult a qualified tax advisor before making investment or tax decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.